Welcome back to FashionGo Dropshipping. In this video, we'll guide you on how to return products. To begin, click Orders on the left menu to access this page. Find the order with the product or products you want to return and go to the Order Detail page. Click the Return Products button in the upper right corner. Please note that the Return Products button is not activated for orders that are not yet shipped. Select which items you like to return in the pop-up screen. Once you select the item, you'll need to fill out the return quantity, reason for return, and upload images of defect in order to submit. You may leave some extra notes to your seller. Depending on the selection or reason of the return, the seller may deduct the original shipping and return shipping fees from the initial amount. Please check the vendor's return or refund policy by clicking the provided link. After submitting, an RMA number is created and will appear on the returns page. In your original order page, you can view the details of your requested return. The seller may accept or decline the request depending on their policy. If the seller accepts the return request, the status will be switched to accepted, and a return shipping label will be available for you to download and send to your customer. The label is only active for 7 days. Please guide your customer to send the product back by using the prepaid return shipping label within 7 days or the return will be canceled. If the seller declines the request, the status is changed to declined. A message with the reason why is displayed on the top. If the return is accepted and your customer has shipped the item, the status will be switched to Return in Progress. The status becomes refunded when the vendor receives the item and you have been refunded the agreed upon amount. The amount is displayed on the refund summary section. If you need more help, you can always go to the Help Center page to check the step-by-step guide to returning products.